Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Bugs Bunny dimension. That's right, guys, and hopefully, we're going to meet up with him and be drinking some carrot smoothies, eating some carrot sandwiches, eating some carrot pizza. I have a feeling it's going to have a whole lot to do with carrots today, guys, but what you're going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 10 light gray wool. You're going to place 2 of them just like that, guys. Then you're going to need fur white wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of those on each side, just like that, guys. And then after you have done that, you just want to go ahead and take your light gray wool, jump on up, and then place 1, 2, 3 light gray wool, and then 1 white wool on top. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on down. And then you just want to go ahead, you're going to place 1, 2, 3 light gray wool on this side, 2 light gray wool in the middle, and then 1 white wool on the edge. And now you can go ahead and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created. And after you do that, guys, you just want to go ahead and take your flint steel and light this baby up. And wow, that looks amazing, guys. That looks so amazing. That would make me want to scroll down if I had not already subscribed and hit that red subscribe button and that thumbs up button, because I really love these kind of videos, guys. But let's go ahead and head on in, guys, and see what's in here. And oh my god, where's Bugs Bunny? Where in the heck is Bugs Bunny? What does this sign say over here, guys? Home? Oh my god, is it a rabbit hole? Is this his house? Oh my god, I don't see him down there, guys. Is he down there? Oh my god, right there he is. Whoa. Let me go ahead and jump on down. Oh my god, I probably should have ate an enchanted golden apple, but forget it, guys. I survived anyways, but whoa. I absolutely love your new place. I remember you had that big mansion in the sky, and you had Daffy Duck living with you, but now you have this nice place, and me and my pig can live with you, can't we? What, I gotta talk to my pig? Pig, you cannot poop on his carpet. Alright, I think he'll let you move in as long as you don't do that. Alright, Bugs, he's not gonna do it, so can we move in? I can't make no promises that he really won't do it, but I can say I won't do it, so can we move in? Alright, thanks, bro. You better not do it, pig. Or else Bugs, I give Bugs the 30 to whoop your butt. But wow, look at this giant TV, guys. That's obviously what he uses to watch Smooth Marky on. Ain't that right, Bugs? Oh, and you hit the subscribe button on Smooth Marky's channel. You're such a kind friend. You're such a kind friend to Smooth Marky. But let's go ahead and head on in here, guys. And whoa! Look at this kitchen, guys. This is absolutely amazing. Wow, even though he ain't got anything in here, guys, because he only eats carrots because he's on an all-carrot diet. Ain't that right, Bugs? Yeah, I know. I was just telling them, but whoa, look at his bathroom. Let me shut that back because I need some privacy alone. Let me go ahead and jump up on this. Let me go ahead and settle down, guys, and see how this feels. Whoa, that feels good. And I even dropped the bomb by the side. But let's go ahead and step on into a sink, guys. And whoa, we can actually put our feet in a sink. And oh my god, this is his tub. And whoa, his tub, his toilet, and his sink kind of look similar. They might actually be all used for the same thing. I hope not. But let's go ahead and watch this explosion. Boom. Whoa, that was a massive explosion. Don't go rat me out, pig. I think my pig's trying to rat me out. No, there's nothing in there, Bugs. I don't know what he's told you, but there's nothing. I did no damage. No damage whatsoever to your bathroom. So just know I didn't do anything. But whoa, he got carrots in his hands. I didn't even notice those. You have 2 carrots and you won't even give me 1? Oh my god. Oh my god, I accidentally caught your house on fire. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, bro. No, I accidentally caught you on fire. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. I'm going to have to go ahead and try to put it out with TNT, guys. I'm going to have to try to put this fire out with TNT. Just slow down, Bugs. Just slow down. I'm going to put this fire out real quick. It's going to be easy. It's going to be easy. I'm just going to go ahead and put it right out with some TNT, guys, because that's the only way to put out a massive fire is with TNT. Trust me, guys. I know. Oh, my God. The fire is spreading. Where did Bugs go? Oh, my God. We got to light it quick. Oh my god, right there he is. Oh my god, he's back on fire. No, don't die on me, Bugs. Oh my god. Whoa, we totally wrecked his place, and we caught him on fire, and oh my god, we killed him. Oh my god, we killed Bugs. Bugs is gone. Bugs is dead. Oh my god, I can't believe this, guys. Unless he just like went somewhere else. No, I think he might have died. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I think he might have passed over. I'm not for sure though. He might still be up in his house. I'm wondering what happened to my baby pig. Did my baby pig also pass over? It's just been a sad day, guys. It's just really been a sad day. Bugs probably shouldn't have went on that all carrot diet because it did not help him out with his chances of surviving, to be honest, guys. But wow, he's not in this cave. He's not mine. I don't know where he went, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.